How to create an operating system. Today we're going to talk about it. First of all, need to learn about memory, about registers, about CPU, about GPU, about motherboards, about devices, electronic devices inside of our computers, also about C language and C++ and C# and x86 assembly language or bytecode Java. You need to learn how to work with the memory in the machine code field. And we have different Fortran 90, I think so, and also Turbo Pascal, and we have the assembly and machine languages that we can use, low-level languages. And we have the memories, AX, BX, CX, DX registers, also EAX, EBX, ECX, EDX, and also we have EBP, ECP pointers. And actually I'm learning how to do operating systems, and we have the operating systems such as Mac OS, also Windows OS, and also we have the Linux, yes, Unix and Android OS and Solaris, and also we have the specific operating systems for the cars, for the different types of shapes, different types of ships, shipments, and also we have the different deployments, and we have the virtual machines where we can test the operating systems. We can use JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, PHP, R, and also we can create different ports, host names and hosting providers, and also servers, and also electrical circuits. We have the circuits and contours, and we use ohms and also raw, kappa of Greek language, and also we have the CPU, yes.